Hello everybody! I just got my hands on this Barbie Dream Besties Daisy Jean and I will do a first unboxing. The bio says, "Hi, I'm Daisy Jean. My dream is to own a music label and DJ at the biggest festivals around the world. Favorite activities, yoga and gardening. Favorite class, psychology. Favorite color, gold. Must have DJ mixer." And I think you get a DJ mixer with her. I do love this artwork, it's really precious. Overall, I do like the doll. I don't like it as much as the other dolls, but I think it's because my doll has a bit wonky eyes, so I hope you get a better luck with that. But the eyes look okay. They're not as bad as I thought at first. The necklace is Daisy, it's very cute. I like the outfit. I love the cowboy boots. Can you see the eyes that they are a bit uneven? But I think it looks quite okay anyways. The dress is very nice, it's a nice fabric, and she has a shirt underneath. And of course I do love the pink hair. The headphones has daisies on them, and well, they will fit better when she doesn't have the glasses on. And I guess this is for her being a DJ. Sorry, the phone won't really focus. And a cute daisy handbag. This phone case looks really cute. It has daisies on it, of course, and it says Daisy. It's a bit hard to get these phones to stick in the phone cases. What's this? I think it's cotton candy. Overall, I do like the doll. Daisy Jean. It's a very nice name, by the way, and she is very cute, and I do like the accessories. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you want to. Bye bye.